Yeah.
Nice place.
So, ayun na nga, pagkatapos namin mag-breakfast, nagpahinga lang kami konti at dumiretso din kami dito sa Danau Lake. Pag gusto niyo pumunta dito, yung entrance fee is nasa around 30 to 40 pesos each person. Pero hindi naman na kayo pwede maglakad papunta dito. From accommodation. So, magmumotor kayo and they have also a parking fee which is 10 pesos lang naman. Maganda dito mga te, napakalaki ng lugar. As in, like, meron sa lake, meron silang activity like paddle boat. And then, meron din sila sa may taas din which is zipline. And yun yung gusto namin itry, zipline. Let's go! But before that, maglakad-lakad muna tayo dito sa bandang baba. Kasi yung zipline sa may, aakit ka pa ng mahabang hagdan. So, medyo nakakapagod yun. So, yeah.
It's like a park. Yeah, that's really big. It's like the
Just have fun.
So, ayun na nga, tapos na kami maglibot-libot and papunta na tayo sa taas sa may zipline.
Maybe like this. We can go with zip line and turn back with boat. Okay?
Let's see. Maybe they go back and forth for the zip line.
How they do?
Okay. We go take zip line. Grabe, sobrang kadak. Sobrang ka. Sasaka na mo guys, sobrang layo.
Grabe, sobrang hingal ko talaga dyan kasi sobrang taas ng hinakit namin. Tapos, yung kukunan pala ng ticket, hindi dito. So, kailangan namin bumaba ulit para kumuha ng ticket.
It's gonna be my first time I'm going to do zip line. Is it first time?
Yes, first.
So, same din nangyari sa mag-couple na nasa harap namin. Wala din silang ticket at hindi din nila bumaba.
Grabe, sobrang ano lang. Oh yeah, this is the place.
I don't want slow one. I want the fast one.